Tariq Rahman is now the central name in Bangladesh's dramatic political reset, the man expected to lead the country after the Bangladesh Nationalist Party's sweeping election victory. At 60 years old, Rahman is no newcomer. He was born on November 20, 1965, into one of Bangladesh's most powerful political families. His father, Ziaur Rahman, was a former president and founding figure of the BNP. And his mother, Khaleda Zia, was the country's first female prime minister. But Rahman's path has been far from straightforward. After rising through the BNP's ranks, he spent nearly 17 years in self-imposed exile in London, a period marked by legal battles, political turbulence, and intense rivalry with Sheikh Hasina's Awami League. He finally returned to Dhaka in December 2025, just ahead of the historic 2026 election, the first since a massive youth-led uprising toppled Hasina's government. On arrival, huge crowds greeted him, reflecting both long-standing support for his family's political legacy and hopes for a new chapter. Rahman now stands on the brink of becoming Bangladesh's Prime Minister designate after the BNP's decisive win, ending years of political stagnation and setting up major expectations for governance and reform.
I have a dream.
In campaigning, he has pitched himself as a leader focused on stability, economic diversification, and institutional reform,
I have a plan
promising cleaner politics and a more accountable government.
for my country.
That message is aimed in part at steering the country away from the deep polarization that defined its recent past. But his challenges are also real. Critics point to his long absence from domestic politics and worry that old power networks may return, potentially stalling meaningful change. And with the rise of new political players, including an Islamist coalition that mounted a strong challenge this election, Rahman will have to govern amid high public expectations and lingering mistrust. For now, though, the comeback is complete. Tariq Rahman has returned not just as a candidate, but as the likely next leader of Bangladesh, carrying both the weight of a political dynasty and the hopes of a nation looking for direction.